If you are using L10n to localize and translate your Flutter apps, this free tool might be very helpful for you. The L10n package is a convenient way to translate your Flutter apps without blowing up your codebase. Instead of writing your text elements directly into your Flutter code, you're just referencing them via a key. Now the translations are stored in these RAB files, where you find your key and the respective translation for each language. Each of these RAB files contains one language, in my case one for German and one for English. Now a problem here is to maintain these RAB files. It's quite tedious to add new text elements because you have to add them not only in one file but also in these other files and have to maintain this structure. It's easier to just use an Excel file like this, where I store all my keys in one column and then the respective translations for each language in the further columns. When I want to add new text elements here, I just write them in one language and translate them. I like to use DeepL. It's very convenient when you have installed this on your system. And then I can just paste the translations here. I can do this for all my other languages at once, and it's quite fast. So now about the tool I want to show you. Here you can convert the Excel file I just showed you into the RAB files you need for your Flutter project. I just drop the Excel file, convert it, download the RAB file. It's a zip file. Here I extract all the content. I have these two RAB files, one for each language, and then I can just replace my old RAB files with the new ones, with the new text elements. It's that easy to maintain your translations. What you need is an Excel file in the correct format, but you can just download a template format here. It already contains two columns. Of course, you can replace the languages English and German. You can add as many languages as you want, one language in each column, and also add as many rows as you need for all the text elements in your app. Beside this tool, we are going to build more tools to speed up your development process on Flutter apps. And if you have great ideas or any tool you want to have and use, just let me know and I'm eager to integrate it here. Beside that, we are also selling a complete Flutter boilerplate with a lot of pre-implemented functionalities like themes, authentication, Firebase integration, providers. You get a well-structured Flutter code that you can use out of the box. In addition to that, we have a documentation that guides you through the process of setting up your Flutter app and getting it ready for the App Store and Play Store.